Hi traders, welcome to Daily Forex Analysis by Trade with Asim and Sajjad. Another busy trading day ahead with lots of news events. The day will start with the Swiss National Bank interest rate decisions. They're not going for the rate hike, but still we can expect some volatility during these hours. Then at 8:30 GMT we have retail sales MOM for GBP. The forecast looks pretty weaker and we can expect bigger drop in all GBP pairs. OPEC meeting, a very important event for the oil prices. Oil is already bullish and we can expect tomorrow another bigger rally for oil prices. If oil prices increase, we can see a bigger drop in Usdcad pair. US dollar is getting strength and tomorrow we are expecting some positive news events, especially Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index. The forecast looks very good, and then later on existing home sales. Both these news events can give further strength to US dollar, and tomorrow we can expect bigger rally in all US pairs. Then near the end of the day we have national core CPI for JPY. We can expect some volatility during these hours. Let's move to dollar index. Today we saw a full swing in dollar index. It opened with a gap down, but then it rallied. After that it dropped in the Asian session, but from 94.32, the same level when it also bounced back yesterday. Dollar index took off and went up all the way to 94.73, a very strong resistance level, and from there it dropped again. At the moment it's struggling at this price, but for tomorrow I'm expecting it can rally to 95.01. and tomorrow we are expecting some positive data for US dollar. In the coming days I'm expecting dollar index can rally to 96.00 and much above. On the 4-hour time frame, dollar index is moving sideways. I'm expecting tomorrow in Asian session dollar index will get some acceleration, and then in the US session with the release of news events it will achieve 95.01 and above. And on the hourly time frame you can see it bounced back today from here, it did yesterday, so at least tomorrow I'm expecting again it can go to 94.73. it will retest this price. I'm hoping it will break this level tomorrow and will be heading for the next target. We move to euro dollar. Euro dollar looked weaker yesterday. We were expecting it will retest the support level, but instead it rallied and today it went up to 1.1714. But from there it dropped, and right now we have few hours left in the close of the market. I'm expecting a daily candle can close in red, and for tomorrow it can further drop to 1.1619 and below. This morning it tried to rally, it went up all the way to 1.1714 level, but then from there we saw the bigger drop, though it bounced back but it couldn't break the previous high. And right now it looks like it's going for the further drop. For tomorrow my target is 1.1619, and here we can see after dropping down to 1.1650 it bounced, but it couldn't break the previous high. So from here I'm expecting it will go for the further drop. We move to pound dollar from here. Pound dollar has been performing well for the last 2 months. Even today it looked much better, but after touching 1.3215, which was a weekly resistance level, it dropped and right now it's closing in red. For tomorrow I'm expecting it can drop to 1.3061, and in the coming days it's heading to 1.2787 level. Yesterday we saw sideways movement in pound dollar. Today it rallied hard, and after touching 1.3215 level it dropped. At the moment it looks like it's getting ready for the further drop. Here we are on the hourly time frame, and we can see after this bigger drop, though it went for a correction, but it couldn't break the resistance. For tomorrow I'm targeting 1.30615. Let's see how dollar CAD is doing. As expected, dollar CAD dropped today, and even for tomorrow I'm expecting it will further drop to 1.2856. Oil prices are moving up. Tomorrow is OPEC meeting, and I'm expecting we will see further increase in oil prices, so we can expect further bigger drop in dollar CAD prices. On the hourly time frame we can see it's a straightforward drop. We only saw this one failed rally, and after that it just continued dropping down. Tomorrow in the early Asian session we can expect some slower movement in Usdcad, and after that it will continue to drop to 1.2856 and much below. If we move to gold, gold is still moving sideways. Even today it couldn't manage to break resistance level, but for tomorrow I'm expecting it can break 1213, and after that it is supposed to go all the way. So far on the weekly time frame it looks bullish. I'm expecting on Friday evening it will cross 1220 level and above. We'll just confirm it on 4-hour and 1-hour time frame. From here we can see the rallies are getting bigger, and tomorrow in the Asian session I'm expecting it will at least try to reach 1209, and from there it will try to reach 1213 and above. On the hourly time frame we can see it has broken a previous high, and right now it's making a bullish flag and just getting ready for another rally. We move to Nasdaq 100 from here. Today we were expecting that Nasdaq 100 will rally to 7600, but it couldn't. For the last few days we are not seeing much volume in the market, but for tomorrow I'm expecting it will go all the way to 7600 and much above. We will check it on 4-hour and 1-hour time frames. Today we didn't see much movement in Nasdaq 100. There was time when it rallied, but then it dropped. After dropping down it bounced back, and at the moment it's looking stronger. For tomorrow I'm expecting it will rally to 7600 and much above. Let's see how it's doing on hourly time frame. After this bigger drop it has bounced back. Initially it's going to break 7525, and after that it's heading to 7600. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you with a new video. Until then, take care and bye.